Steyr Mannlicher is a firearms manufacturer based in the city of Steyr, Austria. Originally part of Steyr-Daimler-Puch, it became independent when the conglomerate was broken in 1990. History: Steyr has been on the iron road to the nearby Erzberg mine since the days of the Styrian Dukes, and their Babenberg successors in the 12th and 13th century has been known as an industrial site for forging weapons. The privilege of iron and steel production, particularly for knives, was renewed by the Habsburg Duke Albert of Austria in 1287. After the 30 Years' War, thousands of muskets, pistols, and carbines were produced annually for the Habsburg Imperial Army. In 1821, Leopold Andel, a blacksmith in Steyr, began manufacturing iron parts for the productions of weapons. After his father's death, 24-year-old Joseph Andel took over his factory. On April 16, 1864, he founded the Joseph und Franz Andel & Comp. Waffenfabrik unserer Currency GmbH 1/4 Leonobeletten, from which later emerged the Österreichische Waffenfabriksgesellschaft, Aft, a stock company since 1869, of which the Steyr Mannlicher firearm production was a part. Andel's cooperation with engineer Ferdinand Mannlicher, who had patented an advanced repeating rifle in use by the Austro-Hungarian army, made Angstrom WG one of the largest weapon manufacturers in Europe. First applied in 1890, the Mannlicher pistol model 1905, and the Steyr pistol M1912 became milestones in auto-loading pistols technology. At the beginning of World War I, with more than 15,000 employees, production output was 4,000 weapons per day. Aftermath of World War I: after the end of the war, weapons production in Steyr was all but entirely prohibited according to the 1919 Treaty of Saint-Germain, and the company faced bankruptcy. To survive, the OEWG converted their machinery to concentrate on producing Steyr automobiles under chief designers Hans Ledwinker and Ferdinand Porsche, as well as bicycles. In 1926 the company changed its name to Steyr Worker. The production of Steyr Mannlicher weapons continued in cooperation with Patronenfabrik Solothurn AG at Soschwil in neutral Switzerland. World War II: after the Austrian Anschluss to Nazi Germany in 1938, the Steyr factories were incorporated into the Reichswerk Ermengar Paragraph Ring industrial conglomerate, and the outbreak of World War II provided a brief revival in weapons production. Like many other companies, Steyr Mannlicher relied on forced labor, employing numerous inmates from the Steiermark 1/4 Nischholz subcamp of KZ Mauthausen, 1950s. During the 1950s the Mannlicher Paragraph, now a full-stock rifle, experienced a renaissance. Simultaneously, the re-emergence of the Austrian armed forces in the Second Republic was the base for a new start of military weapons production. The AUG: in the 1970s, Steyr developed an innovative new assault rifle, the STG-77. A bullpup design, the STG-77 extensively utilized synthetic materials, and integrated fixed optics. The export version became the Auger Euro, a Euro OER Mil Universal Euro, eventually being in service with the armed forces of over 24 countries. Controversy: Steyr made international headlines when it sold 800 HS.50 long-range sniper rifles to Iran in 2005, for the National Iranian Police Organization to use against drug smugglers, by Navid Pars Business Group, later to be known as Navid Pars America through its chairman Navid Kaibani. There were claims in the UK and the United States that the rifles would find their way into Iraq and be used against the new Iraqi army or coalition forces. 45 days later it was claimed that several American soldiers were killed by one of the exported weapons, and that a number of the rifles were recovered in raids on Iraqi insurgents. However, the U.S. Central Command announced late 2007 that no Austrian rifle had been found or seized in Iraq. Products: assault rifle, STG-58, AUG, ACR experimental assault rifle, rifles, M1888 a Euro bolt-action rifle, M1895 a Euro bolt-action rifle, Dutch Mannlicher M95 a Euro bolt-action rifle, Mannlicher Paragraph Nor a Euro bolt-action rifle, Steyr SSG-69 a Euro sniper rifle, Steyr Scout a Euro scout sniper rifle, Steyr SSG-04 a Euro sniper rifle, Steyr SSG-08 a Euro sniper rifle, Steyr HS.50 a Euro sniper rifle, Steyr IWS 2000 a Euro 15.2mm anti-materiel rifle. Submachine guns, MP 69, TMP, pistols, M1894, M1901, M7, M1912, GBM series, date codes. Steyr pistols are marked with a 3-digit date code on the slide just forward of the ejection port. The first letter represents the month of manufacture. The second and third letters represent the last 2 digits of the year of manufacture. In this example, the date code BOY indicates a pistol manufactured in April 2007. See also, Steyr Sportwaffen GmbH, references. External links, Steyr Mannlicher corporate website, Steyr Arms Incorporated a Euro-US subsidiary of Steyr Mannlicher, Steyr Firearms, how Steyr Mannlicher hammer forges their barrels on YouTube.